In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Docusign link. So the first thing you want to do, you simply want to go to the Home tab inside Docusign, and you want to essentially just create a new document. However, don't send it to your recipients, send it to yourself. So put yourself as a recipient so you can receive it to your own email like this over here. Now, once you've done this, inside your email, go to your email and then go to Review Document. Click on basically this link over here, this button inside your email to review the document. Now, after this loads up, usually takes a few seconds, you'll then be able to get this link over here. So what you have to do is you have to copy this link up here. So click on that, right click, copy, and then you have your link. So let's double check. If I now go over here to my email and compose a new email, so let's say you're trying to get the Docusign link because you're trying to send it to somebody via your own email, not the Docusign platform, you can simply go ahead and type in, this is the link to the document. Please sign this, okay? So here you simply want to, for example, highlight the word and then go over here where it says insert link. You can paste in this link, click on apply, and then whenever somebody clicks on this link, when you send the email, you can see it's going to direct them directly over here to this specific document they can then sign. So there we go. As you can see, this has now been set over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.